Are you yearning to create some beautiful graphics but struggling to create something that comes close to what you've envisioned in your mind? Well, don't worry, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I will show you some easily applicable tips that will elevate your designs to a whole new level. Choose a color palette and stick to it. Most designs don't really need more than 2 or 3 colors. You can use Visme's built-in color palettes, or you can browse around sites like Coolors for inspiration. Make sure that the colors you choose make it easy to read your text on your design. If your background image is too contrasty, playing around with its brightness and adding a color overlay can be a great help. Fonts have feelings too. Different fonts communicate different meanings. Choose an appropriate font for your message, and again, there's no need to use more than 2 or 3 fonts per design. Rather than using different fonts, play with their scale to help guide the viewer's eye through your design. Too many fonts will just make it look messy. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Accompanying your copy with icons is a great way to break up text and catch your audience's attention. They also make it way quicker for the viewer to understand your message. Just look at this example. Make sure to pick one style of icons and stick to it rigorously throughout your design, and try to keep your text to a minimum. The longer it is, the less likely people will actually read it. Aligning objects. Proper alignment of objects can quickly turn an amateur work into a professional-looking piece of design. In Visme, just select the elements on the canvas, then click on Align in the upper right corner and select the alignment you need. Alternatively, you can build your entire design using a grid. Keep it simple. You have a lot to say, we get it. However, adding 1,000 pieces of information into one small square doesn't help you get your message across any faster. Instead, make sure every element has a reason to be in your design. Remember to give each object enough space to breathe. The trick here is to leave more empty space around each element than you're comfortable with. And now that you know the rules, don't be afraid to break them. Be creative and create something that's authentically yours.